There we go. You guys are going to see how this comes apart, but you guys are only going to video one, the other one's redundant, so okay. Nobody here is happy with the way it turns, including me. It's too tight, too sticky.
Okay.
So we're going to put new stuff on it. Now let's see if we can break the fan. Can never get these little tabs to work. This time I did. Typically none of this stuff was on. I left it all on just so you guys can get the video of it all.